Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our first outside the box card using elements from the October 2021 paper pumpkin kit called Peaceful Christmas. So what I did is I took one of the card bases from the kit and I trimmed 1/4 inch off the bottom and then trimmed each one of these up to be 4. So I have a piece of card 5 1/4 by 4. And then I've got a gray granite card base to put it on. And I've got some gray granite textured ribbon. And I took one of the die cuts from the card kit and I embossed Peaceful Christmas Wishes in silver on it. This one is super quick and easy to make. You can add embellishment to it if you want, or you can just leave it nice and simple and fresh like this. So I'm just going to attach the ribbon to the card. And I actually, when I did this, I just put just a small run of adhesive across the front just to keep it in place, and then folded that around like that. And then we take it and we put adhesive on this and pop it onto the card, centering it up just like that. And then we put dimensionals from the kit, or if you've got them in your stash, on the back of the greeting, and then pop the greeting in the middle of the ribbon on the front of the card. And it is that quick and that easy to make a beautiful, serene, Peaceful Wishes Christmas card. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more outside the box cards.